It's cold outside. Chicken soup is on the menu. I have a great recipe.
Sinette with Cooking Couture Atlanta, where cooking is sexy.
Okay, so this is Audra with Cooking Couture Atlanta, and I'm about to make chicken soup. So, in my chicken soup, I don't see any potatoes shown. So I'm going to do potatoes. I'm going to list the whole recipe, but what I'm going to, and so then this is my Dutch oven that I'm going to put a little olive oil in, and I'm going to saute my onion, celery, garlic in there, get that going, and then just keep adding stuff to it. But first, I'm going to make my chicken in my pressure cooker. I'm going to totally season it and cook it there. I'm so excited. This is going to be so tasty. So, to start off my soup, I'm going to put this chicken broth. Oops, that was a mess. I'm going to put this chicken broth in the pressure cooker. I season my chicken thighs with the skin on because the skin gives good fat, makes great soup. I seasoned it with garlic, salt, pepper, turmeric, because I want it to be healing more than anything. So I'm gonna put this in here for 15 minutes and let this cook, get tender, and season for 15 minutes in the pressure cooker while I get the broth and everything started in my Dutch oven. Okay, so I have my chicken thighs in the pressure cooker for 15 minutes. I chopped up my celery, onions, garlic, ginger, and potatoes. I put the Dutch oven on. Oops, I got my camera turned the wrong way. I cut up some sweet peppers, and then I'm gonna cut these. I'm gonna add carrots, sweet peas. I'm gonna start in the Dutch oven by putting a little olive oil in here, and then I'm gonna put the onion, celery, garlic, and just the onion, celery, and garlic in here first, and brown it and get it going. Then I'm gonna add the ginger. Then I'm gonna add rosemary first. Then I'm gonna add the ginger, and then I'm going to add the peppers, and then I'm gonna add the chicken broth. All right, so I'm making my broth so I can add my chicken to it, and I'm letting it simmer. I got turmeric and ginger in here. It's delicious now before the chicken, but after the chicken, it's gonna be amazing.
Not only is this chicken soup totally tasty, but it's so healthy and good for you. You can put so many nutrients in a soup.
So the soup came out really good. Oh, man, really tasty. I don't know. I might keep playing with the seasonings. I just want the broth to be so delicious, but it's so healing. It's so good for you. It has lots of ginger, turmeric, plenty of garlic in it. All these amazing healing properties.
A good protein, vegetables, seasonings, and simmering. That's all you need to make a great soup.
Ooh, like, subscribe, and share. Let's make it happen.